In this short video, I'm just going to explain how you install modules and libraries in Pycharm. You'll need to install modules and libraries whenever you're importing a new module or library into your code file, and you will also have to import all of your modules and libraries again if you're making a new project folder. So here we've got an error here, or a flagged error, which says no module named cryptography. So in order to resolve this, you go to File, then you go to Settings, and then there's an option here called Project, and then the name of your project. My project file is called Test, so it's called Project Test. If you click this and go to Project Interpreter, you can see that we've got the two default packages here, and if we click on Add, this brings up a interface for the available packages. Now we're looking for cryptography, so simply type the name of the desired module, and then click Install Package. Now there should be a installing package down at the bottom here. So if we look, and then the green label should appear saying package cryptography installed successfully. If you click OK and allow that to run, down at the bottom there, wait a second, the library has been successfully imported, and that is the issue resolved.